Hello, my audio friends. This is Mike from Headquarter Audio, and I'm back in my workshop, and there are several news for you. So I decided to make a video about this. So if you want to hear something about my Linton speakers, please stay here. And if you want to hear something about Denafrips FPGA upgrades, please stay here. So let's start with my Lintons. Did you hear that? Yeah. That was a long time I needed to find out what's the problem with my Lintons, maybe with your Lintons too. And yeah, as you know, please watch my last video. I made a big crossover tuning. One moment. There, down there is the new crossover. And this was unbelievable. Lintons are able to bring you sound and bass and emotions and tones. No, not the right tones. And I searched for this a long time, and so I found out the material of the membranes, mid-range and bass, is, for me, it's my opinion, it's not able to bring you the right overtones of instruments. Wood tones or even brass or metallic tones are not right. And if you hear a relative with big volume, loud, these are loudspeakers, and you have to hear loud with them. If they sound right, you can hear loud music. And so I decided to give them a new coating on the membrane, because I think the last surface of a speaker, the membrane of a speaker, gives you the right sound. And if this sound is not compatible with your ears, you feel it's annoying and you don't like the sound. It's not important which crossover you have. If you don't like the sound of the speaker, the sound signature, you will have a problem with listening for a longer time and loud listening. And so I decided to give my speaker watch this. This is my special lacquer, I use for my speakers, but with a black color. It's a little bit difficult to mix it, and so I decided here to make lacquer for everything and then to bring it to black color with a special lacquer too for violins. And so I mix it and I use this. You see it? This is a lacquer for the Lintons and every speaker. Also for the speakers behind me. My open baffle speakers are lacquered with this, and it was very good, but it needs time to sound right, to open up again. It's a drying time. And I did this to the Lintons. You can see them here. If you don't know, here, this is my new second rig, and this is my first rig. And surprise, surprise, everything is in the same room. You see? Oh, all you need is coffee. I like coffee. So, back to my big rig and the Lintons in front of me. And so, drying time is maybe exactly 1 week, and then it opens up again and sounds much better than before. And it's absolutely the right decision to lacquer your Lintons and the membranes, only the membranes. It's Kevlar membrane, and if you want to hear what's possible with these speakers. And I heard of some people who said, yeah, Linton's okay, nice looking, and manufacturing and quality is, everything is all right, but I don't like the sound signature. Now I have a solution for this. Okay, this was the first news from my workshop, and the second one is Denafrips FPGA upgrade. So my audio friends, this is my headphone rig, and this is PinkFound head amp, yeah, and this is Denafrips Venus, and this is the Hexe HiFi-Man, and behind that is a power supply for my USB card of PinkFound, and also for my optical device to bring it to LAN. It's a converter from optical to LAN. And this is the device we are talking about. And this device has new FPGA upgrade, and Denafrips winshineaudio.com is doing that for all their products. Also Terminator, first Terminator and Terminator 2 and Terminator Plus is maybe available next week. And that's for me important because I'm waiting for this to upgrade my Terminator Plus. And I did this to the Denafrips Venus 2, and yeah, that's what I missed the whole time. It's a little critic from me to Denafrips, and their sound signature was, it's not real open. It's not the sound, the source, an instrument has not enough room around it, or some dynamics inside of the tone is not enough, is not there, it's not open enough, not enough details, and all this is gone. With the new FPGA upgrades, it's a little bit difficult, but it's a very good description on the Denafrips webpage or at Windshine Audio. Ask Alvin for details, and be careful with, do every step right, and you will not have a problem. And it's very good managed by Windshine Audio. Do this. I can recommend the FPGA upgrade for real. This is very, very huge upgrade for me and my headphone. I like this now with the headphone. The sound stage is deeper, and everything sounds more open and more realistic, and more tones inside the tone. Yeah, I don't know. It's auf Deutsch ist es halt etwas leichter zu erklären. Sorry, but I think you know what I mean. I can recommend the upgrade of every device from Denafrips with their new firmware upgrades. So these are the news from Headquarter Audio and from the workshop. And next thing I will do is this. Maybe you know what it is. Yeah, we will see. Have a nice day, nice week, and maybe we will see us at the High End in Munich. I will be there on Thursday and Friday, and we will see. And goodbye. See you soon.